Okay, we're going to do a grade 11 analytical geometry question in a series of a few videos here, and let's just get started. Okay, that starts off here, and it says there is a triangle PQR, and the coordinates of P are -1 and 2, 1 to the left and 2 up. Coordinates of Q are 2 to the left and 2 down, -2 and -2, and R is an x-intercept that's 3 and 0, 3 and 0. Okay. Well, if they say, here's the first question, determine the equation of the line PQ, the equation of the line PQ. Well, if they say equation of the line, what you need to do right away is get the formula for the equation of a line, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The x1 and y1 just stand for either point P or point Q you could put in there. But M is real important. You need to know that that stands for the gradient. And that's what we have to do first. Find the gradient of PQ. And all we do is we subtract the y values. It doesn't matter which way you go, as long as you're consistent. Let's start with P. 2 minus minus 2. It turns into 2 plus 2. And then -1 minus minus 2 turns into -1 plus 2. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4. -1 plus 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 1 is 4. We've got the gradient of PQ. And now all we have to do is take that 4 and put it right in where the gradient is. And then we put y1, which is 2. We could use the other point, but we can use this one. Y minus 2, and then x minus minus 1. That's why we've got y minus 2, and it's x plus 1. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. We add 2 to both sides to get the equation of the line PQ. And that's it. Okay, let's look at the next question. Determine the gradient of the line PR. I mean, we just did a gradient. We must need it for something else. So coming up, in fact, we do. But let's do the gradient of PR. Well, there's our P, there's our R. We just are going to subtract the y values, which is 2 minus 0 is the y. There's the 2 y values. And then -1 minus 3. Well, 2 minus 0 is 2. -1 minus 3 is -4. 2 over 4 is the same as a half, but it's negative on the bottom, positive on the top. That makes this a negative number. You know, you could put the negative up here or down here. I usually like to put the negative in front, though. So we've got the gradient of PR now. Okay, the next question asks to calculate the size of QPR. We've got two gradients. Well, let's do this one in the next video. It's a little bit tricky for some people, but we'll get